You spoke, we upgraded. The new Fernox Express range. A redesigned adapter that connects effortlessly to a standard garden hose thread as well as any Fernox filter, making setup faster than ever. You can visibly verify dosing and see Fernox Protector F1 delivered via the clear tube. To dose Protector F1 Express, start by switching off the appliance. If you're dosing via a filter, unscrew the filter cap, open the drain valve, remove the magnet, and flush until the water runs clear. Close the drain valve and return the magnet. Attach the Fernox Express can adapter securely to the filter drain valve or attach the adapter to the garden hose thread. Ensure you have a secure connection by tightening the adapter. Next, begin dosing by pressing the actuator. Dosing takes just 30 seconds. Once the dosing is complete, close the drain valve. Disconnect the adapter from the filter and replace the filter cap. Switch on the appliance and apply the retreatment label to the boiler jacket. Your system is now protected. Dispose of the can in accordance with your local regulations. You spoke, we upgraded. The new Fernox Express range. For more information, go to fernox.com.